Here we have three nth term formulas. We denote the nth term by un. It follows that u1 denotes the first term and u2 denotes the second term, and so on. To calculate u1 here, we need to substitute in n equals 1. So u1 is going to be 4 times 1, take away 7, which is minus 3. For u2, we'll get 4 times 2, take away 7, which is 1. For u3, we'd get 4 times 3, take away 7, which is 5. And for u4, we'd get 4 times 4, take away 7, which is 9. The sequence therefore would be minus 3, 1, 5, 9, and so on. If we now consider this nth term formula, u5 would be 2 times 5 squared plus 1. So we replace n by 5 for the fifth term, and this gives us 51. Considering this formula, if we wanted the 10th term, all the n's need to be replaced by 10, so we get 10 squared over 10 cubed plus 3 times 10, which is 100 over 1030, and of course this cancels to 10 over 103.